Downrange, one just splashed near my foot. If you know what splash means, the dirt kicks up onto my legs.
No! No!
Never mind.
Get him! Get back! Get back!
By the American Special
Keep them moving, keep them moving. Hey!
On time.
Don!
I am tying
Rear
my
with
shoe.
me. You and me got to push these guys up. Get up!
My shoe. Thank you, sir, for the
Keep
time.
moving.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yanks. Okay, so
Always in a hurry.
now there's our group of possibly Delta Force operatives closing on the insurgents. Now you can see by that birdhouse or bat house or whatever it is, these people really care about their environment, and we are destroying it with bombs and ammunition and fire. Yes. Towards the front. Wait. The Americans have given us permission to run towards the front lines and disregard safety. To get you people in Australia and Sydney, I love you, by the way. We're getting the shot now.
Fuck! Go down! That's gonna go in the blooper reel.
Go, we got out front. You might not want to move on.
He is wearing this garment here to blend in more subtly with the people in the environment. Now, this is not a loincloth for you people at home. He keeps, excuse me sir, well he does not have any at the moment, but he keeps his extra magazines that he has already disposed of. Instead of littering the environment and possibly causing metal corrode into the ground, he puts them in there. That's
white shirt.
good.
Yeah, is he with us or no?
No, he's in me.
Go, we got out front.
Tom,
Hey,
I know, we got
Tom, up here,
right there, the
on
white
me.
shirt to my left in the woods.
I got it.
Right on the front.
You have eyes on?
Walk forward.
I'm a dirty
I think there's some guys right over here.
There's
people in the woods. There's people in the woods. I heard a noise. Did you hear a noise? Did you hear a noise? I heard a noise.
There he is!
Wait, there he is. There he is. There's a possible subject. Oh, my, that's a log. I'm sorry, Shane. That's a log. Film it anyway.
I can't breathe!
Me, come on, easy.
Contact!
Go guys, pushing back.
You see?
Miles, move them.
They do not believe in positive identification. Those could have been children in the woods. Oh, there's a person.
down,
There's a
he's down.
person. We were right. We were right all along. We are being surrounded by now by the enemy forces right there. You see them.
Get him back here! Hey,
Now,
get him back over here!
do you think we could have an interview with them?
God damn it! Get up!
Can we have an interview? Hey, Mike. They shot my captain. They shot him. Shane. Are you bleeding? Are you bleeding, sir?
No, I'm okay!
Okay, Shane. Okay, Shane. Well, we won't have to tell your sister
moving, keep 'em
about
moving.
this. We don't. Oh my. I've made a falter. I have just said this on live television. I apologize to Shane's sister. Nothing has happened. He was not shot. This was a training exercise.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
Rear guard's gonna have to take
And there's more crocodiles.
crocodile.
There. Sir, you killed that beautiful creature.
My job's to protect you. You're about to get bit.
I was just simply going to give him a hug.
Who do you think you are? The Crocodile Dundee?
Actually, I'm Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter, resurrected from the grave.
I'm gonna laugh when your ass gets popped by a stingray or something and gets killed.
Oh my, I'm going to bleed to death. I'm bleeding. People of Sydney, your faithful reporter has been shot, possibly mortally.
But you have the butt pad. It protected you.
Oh, well that stung righto. Oh my, we're righto. We're all right. Shake that one off.
Contact
I'm not crying, it's just the alligators and the crocodiles are so beautiful.
Okay?
It's the face camouflage that has dripped into my eyes, mine eyes. And yeah.
Interview these guys. Let's interview these guys.
Sir, you're firing your weapon at the trees.
Yeah.
Are you hitting your targets? Maybe. He's possibly hitting his target. Now, to make this possible, he has a loud dampener or sound dampener on his weapon, so we can have this interview. This is a common courtesy given to us by the Americans. It's getting heavy. Sir, Tom, Mr. Tom, I'm taking my bulletproof vest off.
No,
it's hot.
Keep it on.
It's hot.
Keep it on.
Yes,
Keep it
sir.
on for your own safety. All right.
Man, those British are really cocky.
Yes, they are. Isn't it about tea time?
Don't run forward on this one. Just try to film it. Okay. Hey, Bravo! Enemies up front. Stand by to assault. Bravo! Online.
One guy up front. This is a standard attack assault through the position. Oh my God! There are bullets. I will drag you back, Shane. I know.
Oh, it hit my helmet. I'm okay.
Flames and sails.
Actually, it was my eye.
Stand in front of me, Shane. Stand in front of me. Stand in front of me. I do not want to be. Hello, America and Sydney and all countries in between.
Move back!
I am standing here.
Move back!
Line of fire
Go.
to get you the shot. My cameraman is being shielded by a vehicle right now.
Bravo!
I am not.
Take him down the trail.
I am
Take him
not.
down the trail.
Trev!
Down the trail.
Go. Oh my. Now, we are going down an unforeseen pathway into the bush.
Go.
Man, come on.
We've gone into the bush. And
That's what she said.
giggity, all right.
Shane, was that good? Yeah. Does that look pretty awesome?
Hello, I'm from Kazakhstan News. Now today, in this country, we see lots of this.
Red personalities.
Yes. My name is Alejandro. I am broadcasting to España. Now, this man, his eyes are like that of the fieriest bull in my country.
What is problem? Keep moving. Keep moving.
Yes, sir.
Keep moving, Yankee dog.
Perfect.
Make sure those guys back
This
there belong
soldier
to you.
has blood on his arm and it is now on my skin. Look at me. It is spilled over onto my arm.
Bravo.
Spilled
Let's
over.
go.
There is real bloodshed in this war.